Are you tired of scrolling through endless reviews, feeling like Goldilocks searching for the just right camera? Well, buckle up, because today we're diving into the world of photography with an outrageously good topic: the top 3 best Canon cameras. So, grab your lens cap and let's get snapping. We have the Canon EOS R10, the budget-friendly option that packs a punch. With a 24-megapixel APS-C sensor, this camera delivers stunning resolution for your photos, day or night. The Digi-CX image processor ensures 4K video capture with reduced noise, allowing you to shoot continuously without missing any moment. It's compact, lightweight, and fits comfortably in your hand, making it easy to carry wherever your creativity takes you. The high-speed continuous shooting at 15 frames per second is ideal for dynamic action photos. And Canon's dual-pixel CMOS autofocus technology ensures crystal-clear focus on your subject. And the best part, you can record videos for over 30 minutes. And it's optimized for on-the-go 4K video with Movie Servo AF, providing professional-grade quality. With a 10% discount, the Canon EOS R10 is priced at an attractive $879. Now, let's move on to the next contender. Next in line is the Canon EOS R3, offering high-quality performance for those who demand the best. Featuring a back-illuminated stacked 24-megapixel full-frame CMOS sensor and a Digi-CX image processor, this camera boasts an impressive ISO range of 100 to 102,400, expandable to 204,800, with high-speed continuous shooting of up to 30 frames per second with the electronic shutter, and improved dual-pixel CMOS AF with 1,053 autofocus points. The EOS R3 is a powerhouse for capturing fast-paced action. It introduces eye control AF, panning assist, and registered person priority for unprecedented control and customization. Priced at a 17% discount, the Canon EOS R3 is currently available at $4,999. And finally, we have the Canon EOS R5, the best overall performer in Canon's mirrorless lineup. With a new 45-megapixel full-frame CMOS sensor and a Digi-CX image processor, this camera sets a new standard for image quality. Boasting a wide ISO range of 100 to 51,200, expandable to 102,400, and high-speed continuous shooting of up to 20 frames per second with the electronic shutter, the EOS R5 is a true powerhouse. The dual-pixel CMOS AF covers approximately 100% of the frame with 1,053 AF areas, and deep learning technology enables subject tracking of both people and animals. With dual memory card slots, in-body image stabilization, and the ability to create 400-megapixel files in camera, the EOS R5 is a versatile tool for photographers and videographers alike. And with a 23% discount, the Canon EOS R5 is currently priced at $2,999. And there you have it, our top 3 best Canon cameras. Canon has crafted a powerful lineup of mirrorless cameras, catering to various needs and budgets. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned pro, there's a Canon EOS R camera for you. Don't forget to check the description for the latest prices and discounts on these fantastic cameras. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more in-depth reviews and tech tips. Until next time, happy shooting!